Okay, we've got a boys and girls question in a class. We're told the ratio of boys to girls, and we're told that the probability of choosing 3 boys is 1 over 30. Show that we have an expression here in n being the number of boys in the class. So let's have a go at this. So the ratio of boys to girls, that's equal to 2 to 3. So the class is made up of 2/5 boys and 3/5 girls. And 2/5 of the class, well, this is equal to n. So let's start involving totals. So I can say that 2/5 of the total must equal n. So the total is equal to 5 over 2n. We need the total because we're choosing 3 out of the class out of the total. So we've got 3 picks to do from the class. Each time we pick a student, we're not going to put that student back. So each time that total goes down by 1. So pick 1. The probability of picking a boy, in this occasion, is equal to the number of boys divided by the total. And that is equal to n over 5n over 2. The n's will cancel and leave us with 2/5. So pick 2. This is slightly more complicated. Now, the probability of picking a boy now, our pick 1 must be a boy. So our total of boys has gone down by 1. And the total has also gone down by 1. 5n over 2 minus 1. Simplifying this a little bit, I get n minus 1 divided by all over 2. This is 5n minus 2. We're going to have a big multiplication to do because the probabilities will multiply. But let's work out pick 3 first. Pick 3. The probability of picking a boy is n minus 2, because remember we've picked 2 boys already, divided by the total, which is also now down by 2, which is 5n over 2 minus 2. Again, simplifying that a little bit, that's n minus 2 divided by, in a similar way, all over 2. This is 5n minus 4. Let's just put suffix 1 there, suffix 2, boy 3. So I can say the probability of 3 times boys is equal to the 3 probabilities multiplied together. And remember, we're told that this is equal to 1 over 30. Let's first of all lose this divide by 2 here. If I multiply top and bottom of this term by 2, I will move the 2 up. And if I do the same with that one, I will also make this 2 pop on the top. So this is equal to 2/5 multiplied by 2n minus 1 over 5n minus 2, multiplied by 2 lots of n minus 2 this time, divided by 5n minus 4. And this is equal to 1 over 30. And that should more properly be a therefore sign. So cross-multiplying by the 30, we get, and this is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. So we get 8 times 30 over 5. I'll cancel that in a moment. Now I'm also going to multiply both sides by these 2 brackets here. So they will appear on the right-hand side as 2 multiplying brackets. Remember, we've incorporated the 2's into our 8 here. So this becomes n minus 1 multiplied by n minus 2. And that is equal to these 2 brackets multiplied together, which is 5n minus 2 multiplied by 5n minus 4. 5 goes into 36 times. So I get 48. Multiplying these 2 brackets, I get n squared minus 3n plus 2 is equal to 25n squared, 10 here and 20 there, minus 30n plus, negatives go, plus 8. So therefore, with room running out, we get 48n squared minus 144n plus 96 is equal to 25n squared minus 30n plus 8. aiming at the answer. Yes, here we go. We've got 23n squared, negative 144n, but we're adding 30n to it, is 114n. We've got a positive 8 on this side, turns negative, joins with the positive 96, and creates positive 88. There's nothing now on the right, and that is equal to 0, which is what they wanted, and that, after a lot of rather complicated multiplication, is the answer.